about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家话。
Here we go. It's time for another practical Hakka right here on Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alex 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是林泽修 which is Joseph Lin, and we're here to teach you fun and practical Hakka. 我们要教大家有趣、好玩，而且真的可以常常应用得到的客语。
对，
人呢不能没有衣服。Let's teach you how to say words associated with clothing, okay? Because most of the time we have our clothes on, don't we? 所以第一个就是衣服咯 clothing.
衫
哦，就像说衫，对不对？衣衫的衫就是衫，纱那样子 ，okay? That's clothing, all right? 你的衣服很好看。
唔嘅衫懂好看。
唔嘅衫懂好看 That means your clothes look pretty, beautiful, okay?
那衣服的海陆腔
right.
衫。
Some, okay, 一个是some,
一个是 some,
okay? Different tone, one upwards, one downwards, and that is a different dialect in Hakka to say clothes or clothing. 要买衣服之前，通常都会
要试
穿才知道最近有没有发福。对 You would actually go to the fitting room when you buy clothes, right? 我们试衣间怎么说呢？
吃足件
okay?
就是要试穿了。
试穿间这样子。
对
Okay, that means the fitting room, okay? You might want to ask the employee, 请问试衣间在哪儿？ Where is the fitting room?
请问吃足件伫哪？
请问吃足件伫哪？ Okay, that means where is the fitting room? Alright, 然后在家里面呢，还有什么跟衣服有关系呢？洗衣服 To do the laundry, how do you say that?
洗衫
洗衫就是洗衣嘛，哈。
对。
洗衫 that's do the laundry. 我每个礼拜呢洗一次衣服。For most people, you wash your clothes or do the laundry every week, once a week, okay? How do you say that? 我每个礼拜洗一次衣服。
我每礼拜洗一摆衫。
我每礼拜洗一摆衫。Okay, that means I do the laundry once a week. 其实洗衣服很简单，因为丢进去，然后洗衣粉或洗衣精倒进去就好了。
自动了，对不对
？48分钟后就。
可是现在没有自动的晾衣服，对不对？
对。This is the part that I don't like about doing your laundry, and that is sun drying your clothes. You have to actually, hang it outside in the balcony, right? 要晒衣服。
晾
衫 that means drying your clothes, hanging it out, all right? 我正在晒衣服 I'm hanging my clothes to sun dry it.
我懂得嘅晾衫
That means, again, I'm drying my clothes. There you have it. That does it for today's practical Hakka.
什么台港？
安子 say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.